Alright, I'm Trevor Johnson, and I'm going to do the safety video on your cordless and corded drill. Okay, so make sure you got your proper dress, you got your safety glasses, closed-toed shoes, good stuff like that. Make sure your bit is sharp and you keep it lubricated while you're drilling. Okay, so when you're replacing a bit on the corded drill, you got to have your chuck key, and you loosen it up here. Loosen all 3 holes. It comes out like that. And when you put one in, make sure you tighten all 3, not just 2 and call it good. Then when you're changing your bit on the cordless drill, make sure it's unplugged so that way you don't accidentally hit the finger. Trigger there, that might be a bad deal there. Don't drill while you're in water. You know, it's electricity, be safe with it. Okay, so then how you're gonna change your bit on your cordless drill here is you're going to loosen it up with your hand, pull your bit out, you can tighten it up, make sure it's good and tight, won't tighten anymore. Okay, and then when you're going to drill with it, you want to make sure it's on drill and turned all the way up so that way it doesn't bind on you when you go through. Okay, then when you change your battery, pull this one out. Then there's chargers over there that you're going to put this in, get a new one, plug it back in, make sure you got a good battery. Okay, now when you're drilling a hole, you want to get your center punch, you want to see where you're going to drill your hole at. Make sure you get a good little divot there. Start your drill bit at. We'll make sure you got some oil, make sure it's lubricated so that way it doesn't get too hot and doesn't dull your bit. Now make sure you got your metal clamped down good so that way it doesn't run away from you. Make sure and keep it lubed up while you're drilling so that way you don't ever dull your bit. Now when you get towards the end of your hole there, you want to slow down a little bit so that way it doesn't bind up on you when you go through the first time. Make sure you got a good clean hole. And when you got bigger bits such as this, you want to use a slower speed when you're using the corded drill so that way, like I said, it doesn't bind up on you. The smaller the bit, faster you can go. And I think that covers everything.